Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today I think we're gonna do a thrift with me. I don't have anything to sell to buy sell trade stores today. Maybe if I have time we might go to the bins. We'll see. We've been sick for like a week and a half. As you can tell, I'm still not 100% better, but I'm well enough to finally have enough energy to go get groceries for the first time in 2 weeks, and I am like really wanting to go thrifting. I've been stuck in the house for, again, like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and I am just dying to go see what's out there. So I'm probably gonna take you along. Stay tuned. Okay, so I didn't get very much footage in here because I found so much stuff today. So those are all the stuff that I didn't get. I did end up getting that piece. Very good piece. I did pay up $31, but it was totally worth it. These are all the items that I am grabbing. So much stuff. It's just crazy. And I wasn't sure on those ones. I did get the Nation LTD dress, and I passed on the Free People jumpsuit there. The comps just weren't strong enough. But we ended up getting some amazing gems. Okay, so I couldn't get much footage in there. I spent $400 at Style Encore. And I bought a few things at Plato's Closet just to get the 10% off coupon over there, but I did find a really nice Patagonia. Hopefully, I wasn't able to comp it, so hopefully it's good. If not, I guess I'll have to take it back, but I'm assuming since the print is like, the size is really good and the print is amazing, I have a feeling it's gonna sell for over $100. I did pay way up for it, but sometimes I like paying up for things that I am excited to list, so. Anyway, haul to come soon. Alrighty everybody, it's the next day, so we are back here with a haul. I did not think, normally when I go to my Style Encore and Plato's Closet, I find maybe one or two things at each place that is worth me picking up for that inflated price and selling, but I found so much stuff. I got so lucky when I went in Style Encore because they had just pulled out a bunch of dresses from the back to restock, so I was literally one of the first ones to go in there and look through all the dresses, and I found so many good things. So let's get started. First, I did stop at another consignment store and I found this Lafayette 148 little wrap dress. I've been having good luck with it. I paid $15 for this. Like, I just sold a Lafayette 148 dress for $115 plus shipping. I will highlight that in a what sold video. I'm so behind. Okay, so now to the Style Encore stuff. I got this Free People maxi dress. It was $16. I also did get 10% off everything because my Style Encore and Plato's Closet are owned by the same people. So if you buy something at Plato's Closet, you get a 10% off coupon to use at Style Encore. So this was originally going to be $445 worth of stuff, and I got $45 off, which is really nice. So this really nice Free People dress. I looked up comps on everything, so everything to me is worth it. So if I spend, $15 on an item, if I can at least sell it for $50, that's worth it for me. A lot of this is more than $50 though. This is my Plato's Closet find, and I think it is going to go so well. It is a men's extra large Patagonia cinchilla, and it feels like brand spanking new. And I paid $60, guys, okay? But I think with how really nice this print is, I didn't see any of this print listed or sold. I think I'm gonna list it at like $350 and see how she does. See what offers come in or what interest that we get. I was thinking maybe I would put it on auction, but I don't know. I paid $60. I'd like to get, I'd like to get at least $200 for it. That'd be a really nice, healthy profit, but we'll list it high and see what happens. This brand is Cotton, K-O-T-N, and whenever tags just look like minimalist or like weird, I always look it up. This was $11, and it is actually a really good brand. Like, this retailed for close to $200, I believe, when I looked it up. That's what it was, and it's just like a minimalist brand, which is really, those brands are really in right now. This is also a minimalist brand. And I knew just by like the style of this that it was most likely going to be something higher end. It felt really nice. And it is, if I can get the collar open, this is the brand. ABCH. Size large, very, very cute. If this was like H&M or something, I would have bought it for myself. But I do not keep the nice things for myself. This retailed for over $200. And my Style Encore system did not pick up the brand. It just liked the style. So they priced it at $11. That's what they normally price things, $11 and $12 when they don't know the brand. So that is my total hack for at least my Style Encore. If they don't recognize the brand on the tag, that honestly probably means that it's something that is a specialty brand or retails for high because they don't know it. This is a Free People dress. Now I didn't look this one up, but it is a really pretty style. Maxi dress. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. Just kidding, it's a jumpsuit. Oh, cute. That might make it better. It is a size extra small and it was $22. These surprised me because I know that H&M like collabs can do really well. As you can hear in my voice, I am still kind of scratchy. So this is a US size small. Joanna Ortiz. Like I've heard of Ortiz before, ex H&M. This was $11. Is it missing the, I don't know if it had a slip underneath of it or not. I'll have to look that up. But this was only $11 and they're selling for like $50 to $75. So that was a great find. This probably was sold by the same person. This is another collab. It looks to be new without tags. It's again another Joanna Ortiz in a size small. And another really pretty maxi dress for $11. Okay, let's get the rest of this going. This is another Free People maxi dress. I do so good with their maxi dresses. So this actually probably is a midi, but very, very pretty. It was only $16 and it's a size large. So that's even better. I pretty much never find Free People in a large. I might be tempted to try that on. This one, it doesn't have a fabric tag and I cannot find like anything on it. It's like a cote. Just the look of this made me like think that it was linen or something that was like Lagan look. So automatically my lights go on and say yes. But I have to figure out what this brand is. Anyway, it was $11 because I didn't recognize the brand. I decided to get this one, even though the comps were kind of all over the place. This is Nation Ltd, and it is new with tags. Little midi dress. And Nation Ltd dresses go for close to $200 on their website. So looking to get at least $50. This was actually one that I bought for myself. This is just Vici collection. It's just a little online boutique and it's just a cute little straight up and down dress that you could wear with a little black turtleneck underneath or a jacket. So cute. That was $11 and on their website that would have retailed for $68. So I love shopping for myself while I'm trying to source. This is, I've never heard of this, but I did look it up. This is India Collection Emerson Fry. And it still had the tags on it. The tags looked special, so I looked it up. And this is on a website called Tucker Neck. And it just has a bunch of different like brands on it. These have over 100% sell-through rate. And they're going for like $75 to $100. I did pay $31 for this. And then I have another one in a different size that I paid $29 for, I believe. Same dress, so it must have been sold by the same person. But they have a great sell-through rate. here's the other one. The other one is a size large, and it was also 31. So I left behind an extra small that was 29 just because I think medium and large have a better likelihood of selling. This I'm debating on keeping for myself. It is a Lululemon size large little like sweatshirt dress. Very cute with the cowl neck. This is stuff that I live in, but I'll have to see if this is like a style that I want to wear or not, but I paid $25 for that. I'm sure it'll resell for $50. Or I can always take it back for store credit if I don't like it. Let's see. This is Pomander Place, which is again a brand that's on that Tucker Neck website. And Pomander Place stuff actually resells for quite a bit. Like I could probably get $50 for this little mini dress, and it was $11 because they didn't recognize the brand. This was a brand I had to look up, but again, I looked at the tag. This looks special, and they only had it priced at $12 because they don't recognize the brand. This retailed for over $200. Resale looked pretty good, so I went ahead and picked that up. I'm telling you guys, if I spent all day long in my Style Encore and Plato's Closet looking through every single piece of clothing, you could find thousands of dollars of profit on any given day. Like, people are always going in there selling their stuff. This is Stevie May. It is a 100% linen. I just love the look of this jumpsuit. 100% linen jumpsuit, so perfect for the upcoming season. The only thing that I don't like is that it's a size extra small, but it was only $15. And I think I can get at least 50, if not 75. So my phone died when I was looking over this piece, so I decided to go with my gut and just grab it. It's Beacon Cove, size large. 100% linen, just like beachy top or mini dress. It's a size large. I have yet to look this up, so hopefully it's good. If not, I will just take it back for store credit, because I always find good stuff at my Style Encore. This is another Pomander Place shirt, and it's like a really oversized lag-and-looky type top. Really nice quality. I can probably get $40 for that. This was a Free People size extra large little swing. I don't know if it's a swing dress. It looks like a dress, but it could be just like a tunic top as well. This was priced at $15, and I think I could probably get like $40. This is another Pomander Place. I think somebody just like sold their entire collection. And there's probably still some in there because I didn't look through every single rack, but this is another little midi dress. Really cute for like an office or something. And it was $11. So that's awesome. This one surprised me, but I just went with my gut on the tag. So Misa Los Angeles. I thought the top looked kind of special. It had like this tie it had this little tie at the neck. Really, really pretty top. It was only $14, and I looked this brand up, and tops retail for over $200 on their website. Crazy. My phone died before I could look that one up on eBay, but decided to go with my gut. This is a Reformation dress in a size large, and it is like a short dress. But I thought with the square neck, that's pretty in right now, and the little poofy shoulders, that this would go well. This was priced at $28. They do know what Reformation is, but they don't price it like that high. So I think I can still make a decent profit on that. We are almost to the end. I got so many dresses. This is Lost and Wander. And again, I looked at the tag. These look like nice tags. I paid $12, so they do not know what this brand is. And it is a size XL/2XL little t-shirt or like button-up style dress or tunic. Those retailed for a lot. I can't remember how much they retailed for, but this is a Free People size large little dress. Look how cute that is. I think this is like Meet Me in Bali or something. That's the style name on it. But size large is very hard to find in Free People. It was priced at $18, but I think I can get like $50 to $75 for it. And I like to pay up because these items are sought after. They have a great sell-through rate and they'll move super fast. So that is one reason why it's good to pay up. This is New Flora. This is like a minimalist brand again. It is a pair of like wide leg overalls, and they are 55 linen, 45 cotton, so perfect for spring and summer. They are a medium. And these retail for, I think, around $100. It was marked at $15. I think I can get at least $50. And the last item, and there was no need to comp this because this is beautiful. I was flipping through the dresses and I literally saw this tag and I was like, oh my gosh, do they know what this brand is? I've never found this brand at my Style Encore. Beautiful Ulla Johnson jumpsuit. Beautiful. I just love the metallic. Folks, they had this priced at $15. They have no idea. Their system has no idea what Ulla Johnson is, and they just priced it at $15. Some lady brought their Ulla Johnson jumpsuit into Style Encore and got paid $5 for it. It's just crazy. Just crazy, but that is my awesome, awesome haul. Very excited to get these photographed and listed today. I really think I have like, you know, $1,500 to $1,600 worth of sales in this stuff, and I paid $460 something for all of it. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm happy to be back, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!